Ceasefire talks between Israel and Hamas appear frozen as the humanitarian crisis deepens in Gaza. The Hamas-run Gaza Health Ministry says hospitals reported 9 more deaths from starvation in the past 24 hours. Israel saying it will coordinate airdrops of food aid into Gaza in the coming days. Olivia Rubin has more.
Today, a first in the Middle East. France saying they will recognize Palestinian statehood, the first G7 country to do so. President Emmanuel Macron saying his, quote, urgency is to end the war in Gaza and provide aid to the civilian population. In a statement posted on social media, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio saying the U.S., quote, strongly rejects Macron's plan. Israeli officials also condemning that move. It comes as the hunger crisis in Gaza worsening. The Hamas-run Health Ministry saying 9 people have died of starvation there in the past 24 hours alone, bringing the total since the war began to 122, 83 of them children. This woman coming to a soup kitchen looking for food. She says finding food has become difficult, and when she leaves, her children faint at home. She says she has nothing, no bread, no rice. This morning, Israel now saying they will coordinate airdrops of food aid into Gaza from other countries in the coming days. But Israel denies that they are the ones blocking that aid, saying instead that Hamas steals or sabotages aid, or that it's waiting to be distributed by the UN. The conditions worsening as the United States struggles to broker a final ceasefire deal. Special Envoy Steve Witkoff cutting those talks short, pulling the U.S. negotiating team from Qatar and blaming Hamas, saying, quote, Hamas does not appear to be coordinated or acting in good faith.
They pulled out in terms of negotiating. It was too bad. Hamas didn't really want to make a deal.
That situation just awful in the UK today, saying they are convening what they say is an emergency call with other European leaders to try to figure out how to get people food, as they say this crisis has reached, quote, new depths and that the world is witnessing a humanitarian catastrophe. Olivia Rubin, ABC News, New York.